Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles on a Canon MP250 inkjet printer. Now, this is quite simple. What you're looking for first of all is the setup icon here, which is pliers and a screwdriver. We press that to go in, and even though there's not a proper screen, there's only this little LCD up here. The letter that's displayed on the LCD tells you what it's going to do. So we just press this to cycle through the options. Now we're looking for H, which is the first option. That is a normal cleaning cycle, which pushes like a moderate amount of ink into the print head to dislodge any ink that's stuck in the cartridges and hopefully improve print quality. Failing that, we press it once more. And there's Y, which is a deep cleaning cycle, which uses more ink but is more effective at dislodging ink. Now I know there's some serious print quality issues with this machine, so to get it started we just press either the black or colour copy button, and it'll take a couple minutes. You'll hear chugging and stuff from your machine, but after that you're hopefully left with better looking prints. Once the clean is finished, the LCD will go back to how it was, and I'd recommend doing a nozzle check pattern from there to see the results of your clean. Now we have a video on how to do that also on our channel, so I'd recommend checking that out if you don't already know how. If you found this video useful, please do chuck us a like, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.